啊！所以咧，我哋請小朋友一齊行過嚟 Ashley 呢度，我哋同佢一齊影相。我哋行過嚟。
Baby, put that in your head. Come on, put in your head. Wow, beautiful. Okay. Okay, little girl, go to Ashley. Go Ashley there. Go Ashley. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so many kids. Baby. Baby. Wow. It's your birthday.
幫佢戴下頂帽帽先。係啦。係啊，好啦，我幫佢戴。
Put in your head. Put in your head. Wow, beautiful.
戴一陣間啦。
Beautiful.
哇，好啦，嗱，小朋友你哋望住馮主任喎。
望住馮主任
你企過嚟，嘉樹。
Ashley, look to the camera.
差唔多。1、2、3。係啦。我哋1、2 Ashley。
Ashley, look to Jessica.
你要望住馮主任喎，1、2、3。
係馮主任拍啦。
柏南，我喺呢度啊。
望住馮主任。
Ashley, look to the camera. It's your birthday. A surprise cake. Oh yeah, clap your hands. Clap your hands.
我哋咧影完相喎，咁我哋一齊要唱生日歌㗎喎。跟住同你影相啦。好啦，跟住我哋唱生日歌啦，好唔好？我哋坐翻喺凳度先。係喎，唔關兒咁啦。Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh yeah. 我哋同佢講生日快樂 ，Happy
Birthday, Ashley.
仲有喎，你哋見唔見到啊？原來個生日蛋糕嗰度咧有2支小蠟燭啊，即係 Ashley 有2歲喎。我哋咧要點蠟燭㗎喎。你哋有冇見過點蠟燭有啲火火㗎喎？哇！
Wow, candle. Blow, baby, blow. Blow the candle. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow. Blow. Blow, blow, baby, blow. Blow. Oh yeah.
你都幫手排坐到咁遠都好啦，咁跟住要切蛋糕㗎喎。係啊。
Cut, baby.
好大力嘅。唔係你。
Cut. Sit down. Oh yeah.
今日我哋可以食生日蛋糕啊！你哋中唔中意食蛋糕啊？等馮主任切開啲蛋糕，我哋一齊試下先。